Hi, I'm Chef Tony Matassa. I'm the corporate chef for BarbecueGuys.com. I'll show you how to make a cold crab dip with mozzarella cheese for your next party. You'll begin at the food processor. We'll start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese, a little Greek yogurt, about 8 ounces of grated mozzarella cheese. And for your mozzarella, you want to buy block and grate it yourself really fine. The best way to do that is to pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes or so and let it get really firm, and then you'll be able to grate it. Some prepared horseradish, a little white wine, and some green onion. All right. You just want to pulse this to combine. Now, blend together a little white pepper, a little Old Bay seasoning, some cayenne pepper, some fresh chopped parsley, and just a little coarse salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. Mix this around together. We'll add a little bit of Tabasco sauce, about a teaspoon or two. And now we can pour this into it. Now you want to combine all of this. I'm going to fold in your crab meat, and what I have here is a 1/2 pound of lump crab meat and a 1/2 pound of claw. That way the claw's a little sweeter, so you get a little nice mix there. And you just want to fold this in, and the reason it, which is the reason it goes in last, is if you over mix it, it's going to get really grainy and you won't have any actual lumps of crab. Once you have everything folded in, at this point you could just go ahead and serve it, but I definitely recommend that to have the flavors meld together, it's nice if you cover it and put it in your refrigerator for like 2 hours. Now all you need are some water crackers or whatever kind of crackers you'd like. You're ready to plate up. And that is how you make a cold crab dip with mozzarella cheese. I'm Chef Tony Matassa with BarbecueGuys.com.